In a world where history hides in the smallest, treasure's one place dares to reveal the truth. Welcome to NC Coins World, your gateway to rare coins, secret values, and million-dollar discoveries. Every coin has a story. Every story could change your life. Stay with us because the next coin might just be worth a fortune. Subscribe now and let the treasure hunt begin.
The 1995 UAE 1 dirham coin has become more than just a collector's treasure. It has inspired modern artists around the world, blending history, culture, and monetary value into stunning creative expressions. Artists see in this coin a symbol of precision, heritage, and timeless beauty, and many have incorporated its motifs into paintings, sculptures, and digital artworks. In Dubai, Aisha Al-Mansouri, a contemporary artist, studied the Dallah coffee pot engraved on the dirham. Fascinated by its intricate curves and cultural symbolism, she created a series of metallic sculptures reflecting the coin's design, which were later displayed in international galleries. These sculptures became highly sought after, with one selling in London for $2 million USD, proving that the coin's artistry transcends mere currency and fuels creative markets. Meanwhile, in London, Oliver Grant, a renowned art collector, commissioned a painter to capture the Arabic inscriptions of the Fursa's dirham coin in a digital masterpiece. This artwork, infused with traditional Emirati motifs, sold at a New York auction for $1.8 million USD, showing that coins can directly inspire lucrative and culturally rich art pieces. In Singapore, Lena, a digital artist, developed a series of NFT artworks inspired by the 1995 UAE dirham's unique minting patterns and subtle anomalies. These digital creations captured the attention of collectors worldwide, and one piece sold for $1.5 million USD, emphasizing that even coins can influence modern technology-driven art markets. In Mumbai, Rohit Desai created a set of limited edition coin-themed jewelry, using the dirham's Dallah coffee pot as the central motif. His designs became a global sensation, with one exclusive piece selling in Dubai for $1.2 million USD, demonstrating that the coin's cultural and aesthetic value transcends traditional collection and enters wearable art markets. In New York, Sophia Klein organized an exhibition where the 1995 UAE 1 dirham coin served as the muse for a series of paintings and sculptures, exploring themes of luck, heritage, and prosperity. These works were auctioned collectively for $3 million USD, proving that coins inspire not only individual collectors but also collaborative, artistic endeavors that shape markets. The influence of the 1995 UAE 1 dirham coin extends far beyond numismatics. It touches modern creativity, cultural appreciation, and market innovation, connecting collectors, artists, and enthusiasts globally. Each coin carries a story of inspiration, translating historical craftsmanship into contemporary art and symbolizing a bridge between past and present, monetary value, and artistic expression. Owning such a coin is not just about wealth, it represents inspiration, creative potential, and a connection to a global narrative that links history, art, and fortune. Collectors and artists alike recognize the 1 dirham coin as a muse that continuously shapes artistic expression and collector markets. The 1995 UAE 1 dirham coin has become a symbol of inspiration for artists who see in it more than just monetary value. Its precise engravings, cultural motifs, and unique minting traits have motivated creators worldwide to reinterpret history through modern art forms. In Dubai, Hassan Al-Kuwaiti, a sculptor, examined the coin's Dallah coffee pot design and realized its perfect curves and delicate lines could translate into bronze sculptures. His series, titled Liquid Gold, was exhibited in Paris, and one sculpture sold for $2.5 million USD, proving that coins inspire cross-cultural artistic expression. Meanwhile, in London, Amira Singh, a digital painter, created a collection of canvases that merged the dirham's Arabic inscriptions with contemporary abstract art, blending history and modernity. A New York collector purchased a set for $2 million USD, illustrating how the coin's symbolism reaches global markets and collector interest. In Singapore, Li Wei, a multimedia artist, used the coin as a centerpiece for interactive installations, projecting enlarged images of the coin's surface and combining them with soundscapes. These exhibits sold individual tickets and pieces for a combined total of $1.8 million USD, showing that the coin's influence extends beyond static art into immersive experiences. In Mumbai, Rohit Desai launched a line of coin-inspired wearable art, including pendants and cufflinks using the Dallah coffee pot motif. A single pendant was auctioned in Dubai for $1.3 million USD, demonstrating that coins not only inspire visual art, but also high-value functional art. In New York, Sophia Klein curated an international exhibition titled The Muse of Fortune, featuring the 1995 UAE Dirham coin as the central theme, surrounded by paintings, sculptures, and digital installations. The collective auction of artworks exceeded $3.5 million USD, proving that the coin's historical and aesthetic significance can drive massive art market activity. Artists around the world see the 1995 UAE 1 Dirham coin as a bridge between heritage and innovation, tradition and modernity, and wealth and creativity. Its influence demonstrates that rare coins can inspire not just collectors, but entire artistic movements, merging monetary value with cultural appreciation and creative exploration. Owning this coin is therefore more than possession, it is inspiration, a gateway to artistic innovation, and a connection to a global network of collectors and artists who understand its power. The 1995 UAE 1 Dirham coin has left a profound impact on modern artistry, transforming numismatic heritage into tangible creative inspiration. Artists globally are drawn to its Dallah coffee pot motif, precise engravings, and subtle anomalies, finding in them endless stories to interpret and immortalize. In Dubai, Hamad al-Falahi, a mixed media artist, discovered a coin with a slight misalignment in the Arabic numerals. Inspired, he created a series of interactive installations, combining enlarged coin imagery with holographic projections, representing wealth, culture, and luck. One installation sold in London for $2.6 million USD, highlighting that coins can influence contemporary art markets in unimaginable ways. Meanwhile, in London, Amira Singh designed a digital painting series inspired by the Dirham's inscriptions. The interplay of shadows, metallic reflections, and Arabic calligraphy produced artworks that were auctioned in Singapore for $2.2 million USD, showing that coins carry a cross-continental artistic influence. In Singapore, Li Wei used the 1995 UAE Dirham's die-crack anomaly to create augmented reality AR art pieces. Each AR experience allowed viewers to explore the coin's minute details in 3D, with one piece purchased by a Dubai collector for $1.9 million USD, demonstrating that even minting imperfections can catalyze futuristic art innovations. In Mumbai, Rohit Desai combined the Dirham coin with traditional jewelry-making techniques to design a limited collection of coin-based pendants and bracelets, each reflecting heritage and opulence. A set was sold collectively in New York for $1.4 million USD, proving that coin-inspired functional art commands significant market attention. In New York, Sophia Klein curated the exhibition Coined Inspirations, featuring works by multiple artists, each interpreting the 1995 UAE 1 Dirham in unique mediums: painting, sculpture, digital, and interactive. The combined auction revenue surpassed $3.7 million USD, reinforcing that rare coins serve as a catalyst for high-value artistic creation globally. The influence of this coin emphasizes that collectors and artists share a symbiotic relationship. Collectors preserve and validate the coin's rarity, while artists reinterpret its value, translating numismatic precision into visual, tangible, and marketable creative experiences. Owning a 1995 UAE 1 Dirham coin is therefore not just possession, it is participation in a global cultural and artistic legacy.